Hey everybody, get excited, get excited. This is a strong and powerful Corinne making a mark that cannot be erased, changing the world one face at a time. Guess what? Get excited, get excited, get excited, get super, super, super excited. Thank you for tuning into my page. Stay tuned for the video. Get excited. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use this black liner as a base. Give my shadow something to stick to, and the colors can pop more. Get excited, everybody. I'm going from corner to corner, up to the crease, but not in the crease, everybody. Get excited. So I'm going in with my Flori blush. Yes, I said blush, and I'm going to use it in my crease area. It's called Dark, and I'm just going to blend down some of that black base with this, and I'm using it as a transition color. Get excited, everybody. So fall is in the air. Summer went so fast. Oh my God, I can't believe how fast summer went. Listen, folks, if you guys have not done so already, check out my last makeup tutorial I did, the end of the summer look. So now we're moving into fall. Get excited, everybody. Get super excited. Okay, folks. Alrighty, folks. So I'm going to use my chocolate mineral shadow by Flori. It looks like that. I did a look like with this one this summer. I really like this chocolate. So I'm going to apply it all over my lid. Not all over the lid, but from the outer corner. And I'm patting it on. I damp my brush so the shadow can last longer. Get high pigment with it. What I like about this Flori shadow, I always say in my videos, you can, come on, camera focus. You can use it as an eyeliner and an eyeshadow and lipstick on lip. Let's get excited. Camera focus, 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 focus. Focus, focus, focus. So I'm just going 3/4 of the way. Now this have fallout, so you know, pat it on gently because it have fallout. I don't know why this camera get blurry so much. So I'm doing the other side as well, and I'm patting it on like so. The brush is damped, and there's some fallout, but it's okay. You can always clean it up when you finish. And you can use powder on your face underneath your eye area when you're using loose shadows. I don't want to use any powder because my skin is dry. I'd rather just clean it up when I'm finished. Get excited, everybody. Get super excited, folks. So this is going to be a green and brown look. Get excited. All right, so now it's time for the green. Look how pretty that green is. And everybody knows green is one of my favorite colors. So I'm gonna put it in the inner corner, like so. Look how pretty that green is. Like so, everybody. Really, really pretty. Come on, camera, focus. What is going on today? What's going on today? What is going on? You can see I put it on like so. I'm just doing it in the inner corner, folks. In the inner corner. I'm going to damp this brush a little more. I love high pigment shadows, especially on chocolate skin. The colors really pop. So I have to damp this brush a little more. Just a little more. But it comes apart like I want it to. There we go. There we go. And always build your shadow. As I always say, always build your shadow. And I did a live broadcast on Facebook. It was either Sunday or Monday on how to create a quick and easy everyday fall look. The replay, I'm going to drop the link in my comment section. You can catch the replay on my blog. And that brown is so pretty. It's called chocolate. Chocolate brown, everybody. Chocolate brown, chocolate brown, chocolate brown. Chocolate brown. Get excited. Alrighty, I hope my camera's focused now. I hope so. I'll do my cat eye again. I did the other side already. Let's see what happened. So everybody, get excited, everybody. So I took some of my videos. I took some of my YouTube videos off of YouTube, and I created a bundle, which is on my website as well, where you can have access to it. It's like over 120 minutes, so you can check those bundles out. I'm going to drop all the information in the description bar, okay, folks? Get excited. Get super excited. There we go. Lord, let this thing be focused. I like this in my X liquid line. I really like this. And I didn't even know they had a matte texture also, but this one is not matte. This one is more glossy, and I like this better shiny. I really like it. So as always, you guys know I want to lift my face. What a difference, what a difference. What a difference, baby. Okay, so I'm just going to take my Flori Robin liner, the black one. I'm just going to go at the bottom, look at the bottom with it. Like so, everybody, like so, like so, like so, like so. Corner to corner, smoke it out, girl. Smoke it out, smoke it out. Everything attached, smoke it out. There we go, smoke it out. There we go. There we go. Get excited. So now I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses concealer. I'm just going to highlight under my eye area and pull it back. Get that lifting effect on my face, and I'm blending it down, everybody. Blend it down. And you want to make sure you use your beauty blender to blend everything out. Okay, folks? That's important. Get excited, everybody. Get super excited. Get super excited. Blend, 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 blend. Blend. So I'm going back in with that Flori Robin blush, and I'm just gonna sweep it up on my face like so. Get excited, everybody. Okay, folks, I'm going in with the chocolate shadow that I had. You can use eyeshadow as your lip gloss. Oh, your lipstick. That's pretty. Oh wow, I was gonna add some lipstick over it. I think I'm gonna leave it like this. See what you guys think. And I mixed it with Dazzling. Let's see something. Let me use this piece lipstick. Let's see what happened over it, because that's the idea I had from the beginning. All these products you're going to find on my website, which is going to be below. This is Peace. I don't know. Let me see how it's going to look. This is by Flori Robin. I think I like the darker. It's really no different. What you guys think? I'm gonna leave it like that. So I put my lashes on, but I'm just gonna add some flavor to this. And I'm just gonna add these feathers, and I'm just gonna put it on the outer corner only. Like so. I love doing creative looks. Right on top, like so. Add some flavor to the look. Yes, it is. Get excited, everybody. Wow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. So I'm going to do the other eye. I'm going right over the other lashes I put on. And I cut these in half. I had these for a long time. I was looking for some earrings in my jewelry box, my jewelry case, and I ran across these. I said, you know what, let me add this to my look, add some flavor to it. Tell me what you guys think. I like it. You want to squeeze them together, okay, folks? Let me add extra. Look at that. Wow. I love creativity. Wow. This is nice. Wow. Oh my God, I love it. Tell me what you guys think. So I'm going to highlight. And everybody knows I'm using my favorite hot mama by the Balm. Tip my nose down here. Anyway, folks, that completes my look. I hope you guys like this look. My green and brown look for fall. I want you guys to stay encouraged. I believe something good is going to happen for you. No matter what the situation looks like, no matter what you're going through. Like I always say, trust God for everything. No matter what. Get excited, folks. Get excited. Get excited. Get super excited, folks. Have a good one, everybody. Just add just a little. Right here. Right here, everybody. Just a little. Just a little, not too much, just on the tip of my cheekbones. On the top of it, I mean. Blend, 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 everybody. Don't forget to blend. I hope you guys like this look. Tell me what you think of my lash extensions at the bottom. I really like these. I forgot I had these. I'm like, wow, I have a lot of lashes. But anyway, folks, I'll talk to you later, everybody. Get excited, everybody. Get super excited. Later, later, later. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Comment below. And on your way out, hit the bell button for notification. Until next time, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Get excited. Get super excited.